Have you ever wanted to go live on YouTube and you've never done this before, especially on mobile? Let me teach you on how to do that and what are the cool perks about going live on YouTube. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Nicole Riley and I'm the creator of Learn to Go Live. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so the next time I publish a new video, you get notified. So the very first thing I suggest for anyone who has never gone live on YouTube is to create a channel that has absolutely no followers so that you can test things out. How does things work? Now, if you don't want to do that and you already have your channel ready to go, you can also make sure that when you go live, you make it as unlisted instead of public. Because when it's public, your followers will get a notification that you're going live. So make sure that if you want to test things out, you put it as unlisted. So if you want to go live on a mobile device on YouTube, you can. You can even schedule your live. This is the only platform that allows you to schedule from a mobile device in order to go live. So let me show you how that looks like on my channel on what you can do before you go live. So here I just clicked on the YouTube app on my phone. This is an iPhone, so it might look slightly different on a different device, such as an Android. So what I need to do is, you see on the top right corner, you see my face, and you see the magnifying glass, and right next to it, you will see the camera with a plus sign. You will click on that. Then it gives you different options. Depending on how big your channel is, you might also have stories. Like me, you need to have 10,000 subscribers on your channel in order to have stories. At least during the time of filming this video, that's how it was. So then you're going to click on live. And when you do so, you have this pop up. So you can kind of see yourself in the background, right? You will give it a title, as you can see right here. I can just write down test, and then you say done. And then you can see right underneath it says public. So in order to test things out, you can click on unlisted to make sure no one sees this video and it's completely private to you, and unless you share this link. And it even says so that anyone with the link can view it, right? So for you, that's a great way to test things out. You can add your location to it. You need to tell them, is this video for kids or not kids? In my opinion, this is not for kids. And then it has also the option down below where it says more options. When you click on that, you can add the description right here. So that's some of my things from one of my channels. So I have something pre-populated. You can change things out right there. And you can see it also gives you the option to schedule later. So when you do that, it gives you a time that you can schedule your live. It also has advanced settings. You can turn off and on a chat if that setting already appears for you. Some channels cannot go live until you have a certain amount of subscribers, so be aware of that. It also allows you to add a paid promotion to it or enable monetization if your channel already has that option. You then go back and you click on next. When you do so, it takes a picture of you that you can then add to as your thumbnail. It is best though to upload a thumbnail, have it in your pictures already, so you can upload a thumbnail that is very, let's say, more enticing than a picture that suddenly was taken from you. So it is better to have a pre-populated image that you're uploading directly. And then all you do after that is go either schedule or click on go live. You then can communicate with your audience directly on a live video, and it allows you to see their thoughts. What I mean by see is they can comment in the chat while you are talking. It is the best way to get feedback from your audience, to have a communication with your audience. Make sure that you have some kind of reason why you're going live. Are you giving tips? Are you teaching something? Are you broadcasting what happened on your business lately? Have a reason to go live. And some people just do fun lives too, but make sure your audience knows about it, because you don't want to waste their time if they thought you're going to teach something, but in the end it was just a chit chat of random things. So be aware of why you're going live. And make sure to test things out first. Is your microphone good? You don't really need a microphone though attached to your phone. Just make sure it is stable right in front of you. somewhere, ideally with lighting in the background. It's best to do it on the window, so that way you don't need a special lighting. You just need a window. You need to have your phone stable in front of you, and then you go live. It is very easy to go live on YouTube. And YouTube actually shares your video, meaning it sends your subscribers a notification when you go live. If they turn on the bell, they actually also get a notification on their phone that you scheduled a live. If they didn't turn on the little bell, they will likely only get a notification through email right in the moment you go live. So it's best to let them know to turn on the bell to get a notification when you even schedule a live. That is publicly available. A video that was done live can still be found on YouTube. YouTube is like a search engine. So when someone looks for a certain video, they can find you regardless if the video is uploaded or if it's done live. If you have a great thumbnail, great title, great description, and great hashtags, you are fine because you can still be found months down the road for that live video. Don't be scared to go live. Just be you. Talk like you're talking to a friend. You go look right into the camera, and once in a while you check the comment section so you can talk to your audience and have a direct communication so they know that you're listening to them. It's great to call out names of the people that are live because they makes them feel special, they comment more, and they might share more. The more engagement you get on a live video, the more YouTube spreads it to the world. I hope this video helps on how to go live the very first time on a mobile device on YouTube. If you would like to know how to go live the first time for any platform, go check out the link in the description down below where I have a freebie PDF for you that you can download that gives you kind of the do's and don'ts that you should be aware of when you go live. I also have other videos on my YouTube channel you might want to check out, whether on how to go live on Facebook or Instagram or any other things related to live videos. I hope you like this video. Comment down below and let me know if you have any questions about this video, and share it with your friends that you believe might benefit from this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that little bell so you get a notification the next time I have a new video or go live here on YouTube. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye!